feel my American style.
Out of your mouth, you wish you were someone else. I miss, but I know you miss your old self.
And I know.
You girls ready? Hello. Okay. I know.
And me too. Yeah.
Put your seat belt on, please. So guys, how you guys doing? Sophie's classmate is doing her birthday party today. So guys, we are heading out now for Soso's classmate birthday party. We have our invitation. So this is the invitation. Just us, join us for a magical birthday party. So this is the card that Soso will be giving to her classmate Charlotte. So we are here for what?
For Charlotte's party.
Who?
Charlotte's party.
So today is Charlotte's party, yeah?
Charlotte's party.
So who is Charlotte?
Soso's class friend.
So who is Charlotte?
She's my best friend.
Is she?
Yeah.
Alright then,
But
so
she
let's
has
go.
a sister.
She has a sister. So guys, we are here now for the party. I'm so tired. Like I just got back from work. I'm not even supposed to come for this party, whatever. But we were invited, and Soso has been like, she has been, how do I say it? Like she has just been waiting for this day, and today is here. And I didn't even know how I was going to tell her Soso we are not attending because I'm tired. Let me say, even that sleep that I want to sleep, I will not sleep. She keep on pestering me, she keep on disturbing me. So yeah, we are here now. It's just over there in the flat. So yeah, let's go. Soso, come on babes. Hi babes.
Hello.
Just a look. Going. Easy, easy. How is it going? Come on, yeah. Careful, watch your sister, okay? Go on, babes. See what you're doing. So. Hey, party girls.
Hello, mommy.
Let me see what you've got.
Okay.
So come and show me.
So I have a sticker, unicorn, and a Jemmy sticker.
So what do you have?
This little monster.
Did you?
Like even like a squishy dinosaur. That's lovely.
Makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you say bye. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away?
Hey, school girls. Yeah, Sumpe. Sumpe, I can't see you. Hey, baby. So we are going where?
To dentist appointment.
After that, you head to
school.
I know, right? So yeah, we've got dental appointment for the girls this morning, and after that they'll be going to school. I've rang their school to let them know that they'll be running a bit late. So dental surgery. Can I see your stickers? Oh.
First me.
What's in your
Then me.
sticker?
Elsa.
So who gave you the sticker?
The dentist.
The dentist, yeah?
Yes,
Let's
I
go
have
to school. Let's go to school. So don't run, walk easily. So guys, we just finished at the dentist now, and I want to drop them off at school. Our next appointment is sometime in May, because it's like 6 months appointment. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Unveil my American style fridge freezer with me. Here we go. Can we just got over today, and this is me here unveiling, unwrapping. And then so this fridge freezer has obviously the fridge compartment, which is this side, and then the freezer compartment, which is here, as well as a water dispenser. So, and it is very, very big. I'm sure it will contain a lot of food items, the drawers. Got an ice cube thingy, the manual, egg crate stuff. I need to work on egg in the fridge. So this is the safety warning for the refrigerator, and here is my Kenwood American style fridge freezer with water dispenser. So you've been on halftime, yeah?
Yes.
Can't see your face.
Yes, mommy.
So what are you baking?
Pancake.
Is that pancake?
Wait, I need to wear my thing.
Hey girl.
Hello.
So what are you making?
Pancake.
Are you sure it's pancake?
Mm-hmm.
That thing is not pancake. We are making, I think it's diet. I think, is it not diet it's called or something? So what are your ingredients?
Baking powder, egg,
Okay.
mint, salt, sugar, and salt.
No, this is sugar, and this is what? Flour. Is what?
Flour.
Okay.
You can put flour. You have to put ice, flour, and milk to make ice cream.
Ice?
No, ice cream.
I don't know what you're talking about. Go on and whip up what you're whipping. So you've been on halftime since, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll leave it to rise now.
As well.
Well, Mama, you leave it now. It's okay, it's okay. So you've been on half-time for how long now?
1 week.
1 week? So what have you been doing?
Me and Sasa were playing. Playing with my dollhouse, watching cartoon, and even drawing.
So what again did you do?
We did juicing.
Juicing? What juice did you make?
Watermelon juice and orange juice.
Sorry?
Watermelon juice and orange juice.
Oh, so did you make the juice as well?
Yes.
So how has your holiday been?
Fun.
It has been fun, yeah? Okay. All right.
Thank you, Sasa. You're welcome.
So guys, we are making, I think this is diet. I don't know what we are making actually, but I had pancake in mind. On the second thought, I said, let me just make something else. So the thing is, I added pepper to this mixture. I added pepper, added yeast. So obviously it can be pancake. So I think it's diet, or I don't know. But anywho, we are making something and we just left it to rise for a bit and then we start frying. What did you say, baby? What did you say, baby?
Can I help?
Can you help? See this, my little chunky, my sweet girl. You want to help? You want to help? You want to help? You want to help?
This looks like crayon.
That's it. Of course you can help, baby. Take this, put this carefully. Hold it. Put it in the bin, and then you wash your hand. Okay? In the food bin, and you wash your hand. Okay, baby.
Okay.
So I didn't show you guys, but for that stuff, we are waiting for it to rise. I added 1 pepper and I blended it with this. Yeah, but I think I will still add more. Not sure. Let's just keep it by the corner and wait a little. So that wants to help. She's all set and ready to help. Oh yeah, start wiping this place. Wipe it for me. Bakery girl. Wow, this one was just too fast.
I don't like it.
So guys, they've been on half-time since last week. Yeah, today is Saturday and they are back in school on Monday. So we've done a lot during this half-time. We did juicing, we did some cooking, they played, obviously. Did you not play? They did some drawing, some painting. It's been a lot, and now we are making.
Yeah, we watched cartoon.
Is this pancake? Are you guys sure this is pancake we are making? But they don't put pepper in pancake, but there's pepper inside this thing. I want it a bit spicy.
No, I only like pancake.
You like spicy pancake?
I only like spicy noodles, not spicy pancake. Mama likes spicy pancake.
Noodles.
Mama likes spicy. I like it when it's hot and very peppery. Honey in it.
Whatever it is, whether it's pancake, whether it's diet, anything it is, we're gonna eat it. And Jesus, come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby, Sasa, baby, Sasa, come on, baby, hey, come on, baby, hey, come on, baby, come on, Sasa, you are dancing, come on, baby, come on, baby, hey, Sasa, come on, baby, come on, it's my talk, come on, baby, come on, Ada, come on. Mimi, come on, Mimi, come on, Mimi, come on, baby, come on, Sasa, come on, Sasa, come on, Sasa, come on, Sasa. Help, is not burning. Woo! Very good.
This plate every time.
Let's do testing with this one.
So, we need honey.
Not a fork, not yet.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Want to taste us ready? I want.
What is it? We're gonna put some pepper.
It's so spicy.
It's nice.
And I didn't
Some more
like it.
pepper. Don't know if you guys can see. That's amazing.
Mommy. Who wants some Toto? And I'm going
As they hot, now they chop out. This is not even slowing down. You went to apple.
What's in happen at this? It's so hot.
It's nice, isn't it? We're making our pancakes like this with pepper. Okay?
I'm lost. Mine.
Is that one for you guys?
No. He's joking. I'm sorry, my kitty Rex cut.
I can't wait to.
Mommy! Give it to me! No!
Hey, man. This is so nice.
Mommy, when you and Cecil finish the big pancake, if there's one more, I'll eat it like this. Then you two say, hey! Then when if you make me angry, I'll do this. Oh, pretend. I don't like when we're pain.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mommy. I want the kung fu. Mommy, I'm full now. Mommy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't do it again. Give it to me.
See this girl.
I'm going to break this thing.
Don't worry. They wanted juice, but I didn't want juice, so I've just made my cup of tea now. That's my tea bag. That's it. We finished this pancake in the kitchen. That's it. I don't even know if to call this a pancake. Was this pancake? I don't think it was pancake because they don't add yeast and pepper in pancake, but I think it's diet. But we didn't fry it with so much oil. But anywho, food was yummy and we've had breakfast.